the truth is, there is no secret sauce. There's no spicy pea. There's no spicy whatever it is you're looking for. It doesn't exist. YouTube, unlike other platforms, is based on hard work, yes, but sometimes it's based on luck. You just gotta be lucky. We don't decide which video gets to go viral. We don't decide on our audience and who sees our videos. You might have a target audience in mind, but it takes YouTube a while to find who to push your videos to. And that is no fault of your own. So if you rely heavily on what people are telling you, especially on YouTube, if you take that advice to heart so deeply and you want that same success that people are apparently getting, you might be left stranded and disappointed when you are not getting that same level of success that you hear people getting on YouTube. So what is going to get you views? What is going to get you more exposure? What is going to get you subscribers? What is going to get you more revenue? It is hard work and a little bit of luck, a little bit of chance, a little bit of just going for it. I'm going to get to that in a minute, but let me give you a little example. I'm not quitting YouTube, but just to recoup, feeling a little bit of burnout. I want to get back to making good content for you guys, which I'm already making good content, but I just want to kind of like rest my head a little bit. Anyways, more to the story. I said I was going to take about 2 weeks off. And then I got a few minutes one day, so I sat on my drum set just to metal. I wasn't going to record anything. I wasn't going to really do anything special. So I sat there, did my thing, which I ended up recording. And I got this idea to just, why don't I convert this into a short? And the ideas came flowing, and I did some edits, and I did convert the video I recorded into a short. And I posted it, and that video got me 500 views. This is a video that I was like, I'm not really sure about this. I don't know, like I said I was gonna take a break. Why am I even doing this right now? I'm not ready. But I went for it anyways. And that gave me 500 views. That's 500 views that I didn't have before. Or that's 500 views added to whatever views I acquired for the day. So why am I saying this? I'm saying this because sometimes you just gotta take a chance. You just gotta have faith that things will work out in the end. So how can you organically and actually grow on YouTube, actually get views, actually make it out here on YouTube? It's not as easy as it sounds, right? But it requires you to be authentic. You need to be you. Come across as being yourself. And when you edit your videos, yeah, sometimes leave those quirky parts in it. Those little smirks that you do, the little laughs, the little jokes that you tell that you think are not funny, leave those in the videos, because those things are part of what makes you you. And as viewers, they see you being yourself. They see you having fun. They see you the way you see yourself. It's not good to be so polished all the time, Gone are the days where for you to really make it out on YouTube and get views and so on, you got to have like polished videos. You got to have like, LEDs in the background and the fancy music and the fancy transitions, all that stuff. I'm not saying those still don't work, but like YouTube right now, it's more about authenticity. It's all about the you in YouTube. So leave those quirkiness in there. You might be surprised. It might actually resonate with people and give you the views and give you the subscribers. Number 2, research. You have to do your own research. You know, if you're going to make a video about a topic, let's say apples. Okay, what about apples are you going to talk about? There's so many things you can take that. You could take that towards talking about apple juice, towards talking about all the different kinds of apples, you know, healthy fruits, or like what has less sugar, or whatever the case is, like citrus, whatever. Like you could take that title or topic about apples and talk about so many things. But the research comes in finding out what is already there, in finding out what sort of formats have already acquired success, have already acquired the views. And then you make your videos based on those topics. Then you make your titles based on the titles that have worked well. You know, that's just the truth. Research. And the last one, chance. Chance doesn't have to be hard, guys. But research also can be added towards chance. For example, ChatGPT, use that to your advantage. Gone are the days for me where I'm like struggling to come up with titles, because no matter if you come up with 5 different titles, you might still not have success after trying all 5 title variations. Because sometimes it depends on the time of day, depends on the topic, depends on the mood of the viewer, depends on YouTube, the algorithm promoting your stuff, showing it to the right people at the right time.
Hey you, yeah, you.
These are things that we don't have any control over. You might have the right audience in mind for your videos, but YouTube might take your sweet time getting those people to actually view your content. So YouTube is a game of chance. And what you can do to take the guessing game out of things is use ChatGPT. Go into ChatGPT, the free version. You don't have to pay anything. Just sign up with like your Google account. I'm not an Apple guy, so I don't really know what you would do with, you know, Apple or whatever, but I just use my Google account. And then type in this command. You can say, let's say you have a title in mind, how to go fishing. You can start off by saying, okay, make this title brackets, how to go fishing, close bracket, trendy on YouTube, comma, give me 3 title variations. When you press enter, you can even narrow your title a little bit even more and say, include these keywords, whatever they are. You know, don't make them too long, just maybe 3 things. And you'll be surprised that ChatGPT will actually spit out new titles based on the keywords you inputted in the command. And now it's up to you to see if you like them, or if you want ChatGPT to actually give you more titles. And then you choose the best one for you. And if you want to narrow it even more, you can go ahead and do that. Then you can also use ChatGPT to figure out your video description, your tags, that you can now copy all these things and apply them into your video when you post it. Also, you can also use this for the tags. You can say, list me tags separated by commas. I'm saying separated because then you can just copy it and paste it into tags. And there you go. You've taken out the guessing game of figuring out your title, your description, your tags, because those things are very important. I actually say more important than your thumbnail. Your thumbnail is like, to me, Second, if you have a good title, your thumbnail can suffer a little bit and you're going to be okay. So there you go, guys. YouTube is a game of chance. Be very wary of these YouTube advice you're getting about quick ways of growing on YouTube. Sometimes you just got to do the work. You got to do the research. You got to leave it to fate, leave it to chance, and use your resources wisely. If you like this video, guys, leave me a comment. Do you agree or disagree? Until the next one, peace and love. We're out.